Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber, you guys. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys no other than my new bag that I received from Teddy Blake. Y'all already know my channel is not new to Teddy Blake, and I love them so much. So with that being said, I'm going to tell you guys all the details about the company. So let's go ahead and do that. But don't forget, if you are new, please go ahead and like this video. And if you are not new, please like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Please share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love y'all, and let's go ahead and get into the details. Alright, y'all, so Teddy Blake is a company that specializes in different types of luxury handbags, whether it be big or small. They have dream designs, which means they have a team of Italian designers that pitch from well-known luxury brands like Teddy Blake. Also creates handbags for every style and choice. If you don't see your bag with Teddy Blake just yet, you guys subscribe, because they release new collections every month. Their design team works very hard to develop new, unique designs, as well as trying to keep the price point affordable for us. They also have premium Italian leather, which I told you guys already, so that way you can enjoy the luxury feel and smell of real leather, as all of Teddy Blake bags are made with luxurious leather. Respecting the label's history, they make so that Teddy Blake is characterized by high quality construction, attention to detail, imaginative design, shape, and durability, you guys, using the same exquisite materials as all luxury brands, never compromising on quality. Impossible to democratize luxury? No, Teddy Blake made it possible by offering designer handbags with all the key characteristics of any high-end luxury houses, and removing the $1,000 to $2,000 added to the handbag cost, y'all, for just the label. With Teddy Blake, you enjoy luxury at fair prices always. So with that being said, you guys, hop on over to Teddy Blake's website. Go pick out you a handbag, you guys. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Alright, y'all, so now that I have told you guys all the details about Teddy Blake, let me show you guys the packaging, and then I'm going to show you guys my new bag. So this right here is what packaging looks like when your package arrives. Y'all, arrives in a nice bag that says Teddy Blake, New York, and then it has a little arrow right here at the front. You just lift up the flap just like so, and then you're greeted with another quote. It says, discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. And it also says, Teddy Blake designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has also been made with you in mind, to be an extension of your unique style, flatter of every fashion choice, you guys. So it also comes in bubble wrap and a dust bag, y'all. So yes, your bag is definitely protected with Teddy Blake, which is a plus, okay? So put the box over there and take it out of this packaging, y'all. Right there. All right. Like I said, you get a dust bag as well, which I love, y'all. I love keeping those dust bags so I can keep my bag inside of the dust bag, if that makes sense. So y'all, let me show you guys the bag that I chose. How fabulous is this, y'all? How fabulous. Y'all, I love this bag. Love this bag. And the bag that I chose is Clio Vettilo 8-inch dark orange bag, you guys. And the reason why I got this bag, y'all, is because y'all know I'm always used to getting like the mommy bags, which are like the bigger, bulkier bags. And y'all, I wanted something smaller this time, and I actually do love this. Okay, so let's get into details. All the seams are seaming, okay? Right, you get this pretty gold detail at the bottom that says Teddy Blake. Let's open it up, y'all. Look on the inside, and y'all, this right here is my absolute favorite, which is the gold bag chain, y'all. This is so pretty. Look how pretty. Look how pretty, y'all. So, show you guys all the details on the inside of the bag. Alright, so you do get one pocket inside of this bag, and it does have the name on the inside as well that says Teddy Blake, which is in gold. This bag has like a velvet material as well, just like my other bags, which I really do love. And I feel like you can put so much in it. I'm just going to close this back, and all you do is twist to lock it. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, you can adjust the strap so you can have it longer like this, or like this. So I'm just showing you guys the bag. You can wear it just like this, or like I said, you can wear it longer. It's definitely up to you. So I love my Teddy Blake bag. I'm definitely going to leave all of the information in my description box below. That way you guys can be sure to check them out. Use my discount code to get some money off. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every...
Y'all, we got packages. So USPS just left. UPS just left. FedEx is outside, y'all, literally right now. So this is one package here, and we're waiting.
Mommy got fine.
There go FedEx, y'all. Delivering. And I'm consuming. They put my package up the back door. So let's go check. All right, y'all, here got some packages. We got some packages. So what is this? These are my bar stools, and this is, I'm not sure what that is.
Leather.
Guess we be waiting for husband to get here to get this. Yeah, y'all, so let's, y'all, we have so much stuff to do. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys. As I expected, my phone is here. How exciting. You already know I got the 13, but your girl had to upgrade to the 14. So yeah, I did get a, what is it? I think, I don't know how many gigabytes I got. I got the one with all the, with a whole bunch of it. I think like 264, I think that's what it is. But yeah, y'all, the mailman. Here we go. Just dropped off some more packages. So let's go see what we got. All right, y'all. So we have a Temu video coming for y'all. And this right here is for babe. I can't even remember what this is. Yeah, I honestly don't even remember what we ordered, but Temu haul, Temu review is coming for you guys. So definitely stay tuned to see what I got, to see all that I got. So that way I can give you guys some tips.
CTA, bro. CTA. Say, all we waiting on now is for the. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
How I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me.
These are the curtains that we got, y'all. We got 2 of these from Ali's for $12. So yeah, going back to the brown.
I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you, want you. So I come close, I want you.
Girl, look at this giraffe. They did a good job. Alright, y'all, so I'm pretty sure you guys remember this sign that's in my kitchen. I'm going to be spray painting the burgundy part yellow, and I'm going to be taking all this Bon Appetit, all that stuff off of this window, and yeah, putting lemon decor stickers on this as well. So let's go ahead and take this down, and then I'm gonna show you guys what Babe is outside doing. All right, y'all, so this is what it is looking like after like 6 times of me spray painting, letting it dry, and then coming back and spray painting it again. So I'm gonna spray paint it probably one more time and then be actually done with it.